In this video, the Bitcoin price has started forming a potential bullish cross, which is a bullish momentum within the MACD weekly time frame. How should we be monitoring this? Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So sa ating previous analysis, what we were monitoring was this resistance forming within the it's actually forming within all time frames, because if we're going to look at this in the daily or 4-hour or kahit hourly, you can see na we are seeing a clear resistance within the 32,000 US dollars. So ayan no. Yun yung resistance na sinasabi ko sa inyo kahapon, kasi look at that. Diyan tayo may matinding resistance. And di ba sabi ko sa inyo, wala pa akong ino-open na kahit anong trades for the short term, kasi look at this, wala tayong clear indicators yet for the very short term kung saan ba tayo papunta kay Bitcoin. So that's why I've been telling you since kahapon na I am not yet opening any trades for the very short term, but rather I am waiting this one out and I'm waiting for the next indicators to form. But nonetheless, we have a resistance area around the 32,000, but that is the only thing na nakikita natin for the time being. And other than that, as you can see, if we're going to look at this in the 4-hour time frame, we are just playing within the support and resistances within this 100 and 200 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. So right now, I'm expecting more consolidation, but when it comes to trend reversals indicators for the very short term or yung mga latest opportunities, wala pa tayong clear signs as of the time being. So right now, abang-abang lang muna tayo for the next move. Abang-abang lang tayo for the next indicators to form if we are going to see any bullish or bearish trend reversal. And take note guys, if magkakaroon tayo ng biglaang signals, remember to join our Telegram, Facebook, and Discord group. You can actually find that in the description down below. If let's say nagkaroon tayo ng emergency signals, you can actually check my post doon. So if ever na may biglang move si Bitcoin, of course, i-update ko kayo lahat. And if ever na may bagong trading opportunity, we are going to mention that to those social media sites. So as much as possible, follow our social media sites that you can find in the description down below. And also guys, if let's say you want to learn how to trade dito sa ating crypto market, you can actually check out our Gab's Crypto 101 playlist. You can actually just type in Gab's Crypto 101 sa ating YouTube search bar. And then lalabas itong buong playlist on how to trade crypto, how can you invest, and how can you earn money from the cryptocurrency market. So you can actually find this on YouTube guys, or you can actually find this guys in the description down below. But anyway, let's now dive into the next movement, the Bitcoin price, which I'm going to show you next, which is actually this MACD indicator within the weekly time frame. Because look at this. Right now, MACD is about to form a bullish momentum or a bullish cross. Kasi look at this. Traditionally, the way how people use MACD is every time na nagka-cross, saka daw tayo makita ng bullish movement. But remember guys, matagal na natin sinasabi dito sa ating YouTube channel na MACD cross is not accurate for the bigger time frame, especially sa weekly time frame. Kasi MACD is a delaying indicator. So that is why I'm telling you guys ever since our previous videos on MACD, what I keep on telling you is you monitor the bullish momentum and not the bullish cross. Kasi by the time na nag-cross na yung ating MACD, tapos na yung pump natin. And bigyan natin kayo isang example. As you can see ito, tingnan nyo to guys. Nag-cross si MACD dito, andito na si Bitcoin, nakapag-akit na siya. In that case, delaying indicator siya kasi nung nag-cross na siya, kakatapos lang ng pump. So in that case, ang i-monitor mo dito is yung momentum niya or yung buwelo ng MACD. Kasi look at this, yung buwelo ng MACD, doon mo pwede ma-determine yung kanyang trend reversal. So in that case, what you have to monitor is the bullish momentum. Similar with what we saw dito, look at this, nag-cross si MACD, pero nag-cross si MACD, tapos na yung pump niya. Pero look at this, nakuha natin yung bullish momentum nun, nasabayan natin yung pump ni Bitcoin. So in this case, that is what we are going to monitor, which is this potential bullish momentum forming within the weekly time frame. Because look at this, right now we are also forming that similar bullish momentum within the weekly time frame. So right now, this could indicate that we might see a bullish trend reversal signal within the coming weeks or within the coming days. It's just a matter of time lang talaga kung kailan natin siya makikita. For the short term, wala pa tayong clear indicators yet, but at least kahit paano sa bigger time frame and weekly time frame, may idea na tayo sa pwede nating i-expect. And look at this, meron tayong inverted hammers, similar with what we have seen sa ating mga previous movement, inverted hammer, and then look at that, nagkaroon tayo ng bullish momentum within our MACD. Right now, we are also forming those similar indicators. So right now, I am actually more on forecasting a potential bullish trend reversal But I don't think na it's going to be higher than 36K. I think ang levels na i-monitor natin ngayon if nagkaroon tayo ng bullish reversal is around the 36,000 yung ating maximum for the time being. So if ever na we are going to see this bullish momentum play out yung ating bullish movement, then I think ang magiging pinakang area na pwede natin tingnan is around the 36,000 US dollars. Kasi if you have seen our previous video, 36,000 US dollars is going to be a resistance within the Bitcoin price action. So first resistance is the 32K. So the moment na ma-break natin sa 32K with buy volume, I am going to open a long position and then ito target natin si 36K. Pero if let's say nagkaroon tayo ng bullish divergence within the movement dito kay Bitcoin price, if let's say nagkaroon ng bullish divergence dyan and then nakita tayo ng bagong indicator, doon lang tayo din ulit mag-open ng long position. Pero hanggat sa wala pa tayo nakikitang bullish indicators yet for other time frames, abang-abang lang muna tayo, be very patient lang, and of course, when in doubt, just zoom out. Hindi naman kailangan palagi may trade. If wala ka matatrade, edi wag ka muna mag-trade. If I were you, ipahinga mo muna yan. And guys, if you also want to trade this latest opportunity na sinasabi ko dito sa ating Bitcoin price action, you can actually trade that with Bybit. And dito kay Bybit, if you want to claim up to 3,000 US dollar bonus with Bybit, just use my sign up link na you can find in the description down below. And now let's also give you a quick update within the altcoin market kasi look at this. Dominance is still increasing. Bitcoin dominance is still increasing. So right now it's indicating na altcoins are still bleeding against Bitcoin. And that is accurately seen within the latest Ethereum price action. Look at this. Bitcoin is just moving sideways dito for the time being. And look at what is happening with Ethereum. It's relatively bleeding against Bitcoin. Kay Bitcoin, sideways lang siya. Kay Ethereum, pababa siya ng konti. So as you can see, that is bleeding against the Bitcoin market. So if I were you, if you are going to trade any altcoin or if you are going to trade any crypto within the crypto market, I highly suggest na trade first with the Bitcoin price action. Kasi look at this. In general, altcoins are going to bleed against Bitcoin. But of course, there will be some altcoins na mag-overperform. But the whole sentiment ng ating altcoin market, the whole sentiment in general is going to be bleeding against the Bitcoin price action. So in that case, focus more with the Bitcoin price action. Be very patient. And always remember to look at the data na available sa atin. But anyway, ayun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.